Did you know there are organs in your body that work tirelessly day and night, filtering your blood and removing toxins? Yes, your kidneys, two silent heroes that keep your body in perfect balance. Here's the shocking part. They can lose up to 80% of their function without showing any symptoms. That's why kidney disease often progresses quietly until it's too late. Today, you'll discover the most common mistakes that slowly damage your kidneys. And at the end of this video, you'll learn about a very popular fruit that can be dangerous if you already have kidney problems. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming health and wellness videos. 1. Water, the simplest and most forgotten filter. Think about it. If over 70% of your body is made of water, why do so many people live dehydrated without realizing it? Most people believe that drinking a glass of water when they're thirsty is enough. But the truth is, thirst is a late signal. When it appears, your body has already been lacking hydration for hours. That includes your kidneys. When they don't receive enough water, your blood becomes thicker, toxins accumulate, and the risk of kidney damage rises. Here's a simple tip. Start your day with a large glass of water on an empty stomach, even before your coffee. It wakes up your digestive system and activates your kidneys immediately. You can add half a lemon for freshness or a sprig of rosemary to stimulate digestion. A green juice made with celery, spinach, ginger, and apple is also great for cleansing and rehydrating naturally. So how much water do you actually need per day? A simple formula: multiply your body weight in kilograms by 30. For example, if you weigh 70 kilos, that's about 2,100 milliliters, just over 2 liters of water daily. Try to drink most of it before 5 p.m. so you don't wake up during the night. And remember, your body tells you everything. Your urine should be clear. If it's dark or has a strong odor, you're not drinking enough water. 2. Excess salt, the silent enemy. The second major threat to your kidneys is too much sodium, and not just from your salt shaker. Most of the salt we consume hides in ultra-processed foods: industrial bread, cold cuts, instant soups, sauces, snacks, cereals, even sweet products like soft drinks or pastries. All this adds up quickly, forcing your kidneys to work overtime, raising your blood pressure, and slowly causing long-term damage. The solution? Go back to basics. Less packaging, more peeling. The more natural your food, the less sodium you'll consume. For flavor, use herbs instead of salt: rosemary, turmeric, black pepper, oregano, or garlic powder. They enhance taste and also reduce inflammation thanks to their antioxidants. Balance is key. Your body does need sodium, but it also needs potassium and magnesium to maintain healthy blood pressure and flush out toxins. You'll find them in fruits, vegetables, seeds, and nuts. In short, less salt, more plants equals happier kidneys. 3. Medications and supplements, a double-edged sword. Here's something most people never think about. Common medications and supplements can be toxic to your kidneys if used improperly. Anti-inflammatory drugs like ibuprofen, diclofenac, or naproxen seem harmless because they're sold over the counter. But frequent use can silently damage your kidney filters over time. That doesn't mean you should never use them, but they shouldn't become part of your routine. Every pill forces your kidneys to work harder to eliminate its residues. And it's not just medication. Even vitamins can be harmful in excess. Too much vitamin C may cause kidney stones, and excessive vitamin D can raise calcium levels in the blood, straining the kidneys. So remember, even if something is natural, it doesn't mean it's harmless. Use supplements wisely, only when needed, and ideally under professional guidance. If this video is helping you understand how to protect your kidneys better, leave a comment below saying, "I'm learning," or "more health tips, please." And if you haven't yet, Subscribe right now to support the channel. Your support helps us keep creating valuable educational content for you. 4. Don't wait to feel sick. Get checked. Many people believe, if I feel fine, I must be healthy. But kidneys don't send warnings until the damage is advanced. That's why experts recommend doing 2 simple tests every year: a basic urine test and a blood test to check your creatinine levels. Creatinine is a key indicator of kidney function. If it's elevated, it could mean your kidneys aren't filtering properly. These tests are simple, fast, and inexpensive. Also, keep an eye on your blood pressure. High blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney failure, and it usually has no symptoms, which is why it's called the silent killer. Measure your blood pressure at least once a year after age 40, more often if you've had high readings before. Prevention is always easier than treatment. 5. The gut-kidney connection. This might surprise you, but your gut health is directly linked to your kidney health. Your intestines are home to trillions of microorganisms known as the microbiota. They regulate your immune system, digestion, and even your metabolism. When this balance is disrupted by poor diet, stress, or antibiotics, inflammation rises, and that inflammation can harm your kidneys. To support both systems include fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, kombucha, or sauerkraut. Also, eat plenty of fiber-rich fruits, vegetables, and legumes to nourish your healthy gut bacteria. Avoid processed foods, excess sugar, and overuse of antibiotics. They're silent enemies of your microbiota in your kidneys. 6. The fruit that can be dangerous for some. There's a beautiful, star-shaped fruit called carambola, or star fruit. It looks harmless and refreshing, but for people with kidney disease, it can be highly toxic. Carambola contains a substance called caramboxin, which the body cannot properly eliminate when kidney function is reduced. This toxin can build up in the blood and cause vomiting, confusion, seizures, or even poisoning. Even healthy individuals should avoid drinking large amounts of concentrated star fruit juice. An occasional portion is fine, but excessive intake can cause kidney stones due to its high oxalate levels. If you already have kidney disease, avoid it completely. If your kidneys are healthy, enjoy it occasionally and in moderation. Final recommendations. Your kidneys never complain. They work silently every day asking for nothing. But when they fail, the consequences are serious. So start taking care of them today. Drink enough water. Cut down on salt and processed food. Avoid self-medication. Get regular checkups. And nurture your gut. It's your invisible shield for kidney health. Remember, small daily habits create a long and healthy life. Now that you know the most common mistakes that can damage your kidneys, it's time to take action. Caring for your body isn't complicated. It just requires awareness and consistency. Tell us in the comments, which habit will you change first? If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to keep learning with us every week. Your health is in your hands. Take care of it, because there's no replacement for a healthy pair of kidneys.